Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can stop videos playing automatically on BlueSky. Well, when you use BlueSky, videos start playing automatically without you are even trying to play them, which is annoying, especially when you are in a quiet place. So to stop them, sign into your BlueSky account. And when you scroll down, here you can see that the videos start playing automatically. And to stop them, go to settings and click on content and media. Here, just uncheck the option named autoplay videos and GIFs, and then go back to your home page feed. And here you can see that no video is playing automatically anymore. And this is how you can stop videos playing automatically on BlueSky. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.